So I've laid the crank and the engine block. I've already checked the clearances on the other mains. I've actually checked it on this one too, but I just want to show what I did. I'm gonna put some plastic gauge on this main right here, and then I'll show what the clearance is. So let me put the main cap on. I'm gonna torque it, and then I'll take it off and check and see what my clearance is. So I'm gonna put some plastic gauge on it. There it is. There it is right there. And I put the main on and I'm going to torque it, take off the main, and then check my clearance. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the main cap off. Let's see. Now I'm gonna check my clearance using the plastic gauge as my way to measure it. So it's bigger than 0.002. It's about 0.0015. 0.0015. Yeah, it's too big for 0.0012. So about 0.0015. There it is, so you can see. That's within spec. 0.002 would be within spec too, but it is closer to 0.0015. Dirty, but get the point. That's how you check clearances on the mains. You would do the same for the rod journals. That's how I'm checking my oil clearances, and all of the mains are within spec, including that one. So now that I've checked my clearances for the main caps, or the journals on the main, for the main bearings, now I want to check my clearances for the rings, or the piston rings. I've already checked them, but I want to at least demonstrate how to do it. The clearances are between say 0.015 to 0.020. I have one that's 0.021, but it's close enough to within spec. So I'm going to show you how what I did to check my clearances on the piston rings. That's the top. The chamfer is underneath, and so use a piston to square it up. Now I'll use a feeler gauge to see if within spec. There we go. 18 thousandths. So that's 18 thousandths. I don't know if you can see that. And that's good. So I've already checked all of my rings. You see the other compression ring and the oil rings are in the back. Check this one, it's good. I can show you 19 thousandths. There's 19. There you go. It's stuck, so 18 thousandths. There is drag, so it might be 17 or 0.0175. So there it is. So that's how you check your clearances for your piston rings. You do it for all your cylinders. This is driver's side number 1, 3, 5, 7. You do it for the other side, and just make sure you do it for your 2 compression rings and your 2 oil rings and this other ring. This one here, I couldn't check it, so I'm gonna assume you don't have to check it. And now I can move on to torquing down my crank. So thanks for watching.